Welcome to Katie Trader channel.
I open sell because the market has gone up high back. Then he is not strong enough to go up anymore and forms a flat candle with no trend. I think it's just a correction because the candle will be very strong turning down. So I open sell.
Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe and activate the notification bell, so you don't miss it when I upload the latest video from my channel.
The time is 2 minutes. We wait for the time to finish, guys. Profit, guys. Thanks for watching my video. See you in my next video. Bye bye.